Channel Manager is an essential tool for vacation rental property managers. With the Channel Manager, you have much better control over properties listed on Airbnb, Vrbo and HomeAway platforms since you can easily manage them from one spot. To group properties, you need to choose the property you want to unite and go to the Properties tab. Click on the property and open the property editor. In the right panel of the property editor, look at the channels, click on the Edit button and then on Add Property or Group. Choose the needed property from the list. In this example we want to add the HomeAway listing. Click Save. All done. After you have grouped two channels, you will see this property on the multi-calendar with two icons and reservations from both channels. It is important to remove iCals from Airbnb and HomeAway after you have grouped channels. Please note, you should keep iCals from any other third-party calendar connected to the property's calendar. Feel free to contact the customer experience team in our live chat if you have more questions about Channel Manager tool.